one of the questions I'm asked the most is, what is the most comfortable zero-turn mower? In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at what I believe to be the most comfortable zero-turn mower. But first, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Okay, so the most comfortable mower is the Ferris ISX3300. It was introduced at the 2019 GIE show alongside the ISX2200. This mower features the all-new suspension technology that has been named forefront suspension. If you follow Ferris, you may remember this suspension was originally introduced on the ISX800 in 2018. This suspension allows for vertical moving shocks, similar to UTVs. This keeps the deck from diving down when you stop quickly and keeps the front tires in contact with the ground better. Now, the one suspicion I have about this mower is that it really hasn't been updated much since 2019, outside of a few minor updates and some different engine options. Not that it really needs to be, but I would like to see a few upgrades, including the deck. Even though they did update it, I wasn't incredibly impressed. We'll get to more of that later in the video. First, let's look at some comparisons. The Ferris ISX3300 mower is kind of in a league of its own when it comes to comfort. There are some other brands that have different forms of suspension, like the Gravely ProTurn 600, Toro My Ride, and Skag Cheetah all have different variations of suspension platforms. These are nice, but not quite up to the standard of the full suspension that Ferris offers. Steel did introduce full suspension units a couple years ago, but those are literally the same as the Ferris mowers and built in the same factory. Check out my Ferris vs. Steel video for all the details on that. There was one groundbreaking release at the 2025 Equip Expo. Wright introduced a full suspension unit called the ZTS model. This unit is smaller, comparable to the Ferris ISX800. So not really comparable in terms of specs, but the suspension was definitely something to look at. The Wright ZTS actually has the same A-arm suspension that the previous IS3200 Ferris mower had. I believe the patent ran out on this type of suspension, so Wright jumped on the opportunity for a true suspension mower. It'll be interesting to see how that mower performs. And speaking of the Ferris 3200, let's compare the Ferris ISX3300 versus the 3200. The big difference is definitely the suspension. This mower will ride better, hold hills better, and have a better cut quality than the IS3200. In 2023, they have even released a new 60-inch deck that is a little better than the previous 61-inch ICD deck. Even with the new ICD Plus deck, I wish the cut quality was better. I still think Skag, Exmark, and Toro have decks that perform better, but the trade-off for comfort may be worth it. There are also some minor upgrades, like the back bumper and ROPS. The back bumper has a more modern look and appears to protect the engine a bit more. The ROPS is a new design that has rubber stops to avoid any rattling. Overall, I think the ISX3300 was originally better than the IS3200 and has continued to improve over the past 3 or 4 years. Power. The ISX3300 runs on a 40 horsepower Vanguard Big Block EFI with the oil guard system, or the Kawasaki FX1000 EFI. Each engine option comes with a 60 or 72 inch ICD plus cutting deck. I am very happy with the oil guard system. Now you only have to change the oil every 500 hours instead of every 100 hours. This saves time and money. The engine is among the most powerful in the market and uses the same engine as the most powerful engine option of the Skag Turf Tiger 2 and other leading brands. The ISX3300 has the dual commercial Hydro Gear ZT 5400 transaxles for the drive system. This is the largest and strongest integrated transaxles for Hydro Gear. You can feel the power when you drive this machine. It can reach a speed of up to 12 miles per hour. This mower is also extremely smooth and has a very responsive feel to the way it drives. Features. Forefront suspension system. The suspension ensures that the front casters stay vertical for a better ride, a more even cut, and better stability on hillsides. Rear bumper got a redesign for more ground clearance. The redesign provides more protection to the engine compared to the old design. Premium suspension seat, it's equipped with armrests and an adjustable headrest. The chair can recline, and the lumbar is adjustable for comfort and support for the lower back. I have to say that they did an excellent job with the comfort of the seat. New ROPS bar. This provides a rattle-free ride and a nice look to it. I do wish this ROPS had a lower brake point when it is folded down. This is something they could definitely upgrade. 11-gallon fuel tank. This mower features 2 large fuel tanks for all-day mowing. Cut quality. Overall, the cut quality of the machine is pretty good. It has improved cut quality over the IS3300 and is beginning to be thrown in the hat of the top brands in the industry. I would love to see this machine and Skag side by side mowing soon. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see this soon. With a pedal, the cut length is easily adjustable between 1.5 to 5 inches, with increments of just a 1/4 inch at a time. You will have full control over the length of the grass. The deck altogether has recently changed from the previous IS3200. The main improvement on the new 60-inch deck is the increased airflow. The main difference in the quality of the cut is also going to come in the way the deck is hung and the way the new suspension works. If there's one area for meaningful improvement on this mower, I'd say it is the cut quality. It's not bad at all, but I've definitely seen some less than stellar reviews on cut quality depending on the type of grass and geographical location. Durability. The new design increases the durability of the engine. The durability of the ISX3300 is improved compared to previous models. Suspension on any mower seems to absorb more impact and makes sense that the mower would last longer. There is also a new 10-year warranty for the coilover shocks and all suspension-related parts for unlimited hours of work. The engineers trust the durability of this mower, and I share their perspective. The Ferris ISX3300 is an investment for the long term. Comfort. The Ferris 3200 thrived here, and the ISX3300 thrives even more. This is what the Ferris brand is known for. The most comfortable mower on the market. I think they have gone above and beyond with this mower. I would be willing to say that there isn't another mower in the industry that has the level of comfort that this mower has. It feels like you're just gliding over bumps while mowing. It's actually pretty crazy. Price. The price of this mower is around $18,000 or $19,000, depending on deck size and engine option. Of course, mower prices have drastically increased over the past 4 or 5 years. However, this is still competitive in terms of other mowers with similar specs, which most of the other mowers in this price range do not offer full suspension. Only suspension seat or platform suspensions. These platform suspensions can be found on Toro, Skag, and Gravely mowers, to name a few. All in all, the Ferris ISX3300 is an excellent mower built for the full commercial landscaper or landowner. It is one of the top mowers in the industry and definitely worth checking out if you are in the market for a large, comfortable zero-turn mower. Have you used the ISX3300? What are your thoughts on it? We would love to hear from you in the comments. Check the link in the description to access our mower guides or handbooks. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.